Hello, students. I am Purushottam Vishwakarma, and in the series of the lesson The Enemy, Vistus, class 12th, we have studied about early life of Sadao and Hana, how they returned from America after completing their education, married in Japan, and living a happy life on a coast in their house. When they saw a man through the mist, what happens next? Let's. What if he should die? Sadao replied. While they were discussing on the matter that whether he should live or die, whether they should keep him alive or leave him to die. They were in dilemma what to do. Sadao replied. He stood gazing down on the motionless man. He was gazing, he was looking intently to that motionless man. This man must have extraordinary vitality or he would have been dead by now. He said, अगर इसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा ताकत नहीं होती, इम्यूनिटी इसकी मजबूत नहीं होती, एनर्जी नहीं होती, तो अब तक ये मर गया होता. But then he was very young, perhaps not yet 25. But if he had died at that age, approximately 25 years, and that was very young age. You mean die from the operation? Hannah asked, what do you want to say? He would die after the operation? Sadao said, yes. Hannah considered this doubtfully. And when she did not answer, Sadao turned away. When there was no response from Hannah, Sadao started working. At any rate, something must be done with him, he said. And first he must be washed. What he suggested? The man must be washed first. The first thing the man needed was a washing. He went quickly out of the room and Hannah came behind him. As soon as he went out of the room, Hannah followed him. She did not wish to be left alone with the white man. She was afraid of the white man. That is why she did not want to stay with that white man in the room all alone. He was the first she had seen since she left America. अमेरिका छोड़ने के बाद वो पहला अमेरिकी था जिससे वो मिली थी. And now he seemed to have nothing to do with those whom she had known there. अब उसका अमेरिका से कोई लेना देना नहीं था. Here he was her enemy, a menace living or dead, because he was causing trouble for the family. She turned to the nursery and called Yumi. She turned towards the nursery zone and called Yumi, the maid. But the children heard her voice and she had to go in for a moment. Children heard. If you remember, she had two children. Children heard her voice and she had to go in for a moment and smile at them. मम्मी जाती हैं, मम्मियाँ बच्चों के पास तो मुस्कुराती हैं. And play with the baby boy, now nearly 3 months old. जो बच्चा है 3 महीने का, उसका दूसरा बच्चा. ओवर द बेबी सॉफ्ट ब्लैक हेयर सी मोशनड. अब छोटे से बच्चे को अपने पास लिए हुए है और उसके सिर के ऊपर से इशारा करती है विद हर माउथ. यूमी कम विद मी. यूमी चलो मेरे साथ आओ. आई पुट द बेबी टू बेड. यूमी रिप्लाइड ही इज रेडी. चलो आती हूँ मैम. बेबी सोने ही वाला है. She went with Yumi into the bedroom next to the nursery and stood with the boy in her arms, while Yumi spread the sleeping quilts on the floor and laid the baby between them. She accompanied Yumi the maid to the sleeping room where Yumi रजाई वगैरह बिछाती है और बेबी को सुला देती है. Then Hannah led the way quickly and softly to the kitchen. हाना यूमी के साथ किचन में जाती है. The two servants were frightened at what their master had just told them. There were servants and they were frightened about what their master had told them about that man, that white man. The old gardener, who was also a house servant, pulled the few hairs on his upper lip. He was amazed. The master ought not to heal the wound of this white man. He said, his master should not do this. His master should not save that white man. He said bluntly to Hannah, the white man ought to die. इसे मरना ही चाहिए. First he was shot, then the sea caught him. पहले गोली लगी, फिर समुद्र में टकरा गया. And wounded him with her rocks, और उस समुद्र ने उसको घायल कर दिया अपने रॉक से. If the master heals what the gun did and what the sea did, they will take revenge on us. तो ये समुद्र, ये गोली बदला लेंगे, रिवेंज लेंगे. तो मास्टर को एक्चुअली ही वॉज सुपरस्टिटस. आई विल टेल हिम वॉट यू से. हाना रिप्लाई, ठीक है, जो तुमने कहा मैं बता दूंगी. बट सी हरसेल्फ वॉज ऑल्सो फ्राइटेंड. बट सी वॉज फ्राइटेंड एज वेल, although she was not superstitious as the old man was. That old man was superstitious, that is why he was telling so. Could it ever be well to help an enemy? Nevertheless, she told Yumi to fetch the hot water and bring it to the room where the white man was. वो सोचने लगी कि क्या दुश्मन की मदद करना ठीक होगा. कोई बात नहीं. फिर यूमी को बोलती है ऐसा करो, पानी गर्म करके उस रूम में लेके आओ. She went ahead and slid back the partitions. आगे बढ़ गई. Sadao was not yet there. Sadao was not there in the room. Yumi following. Yumi went there. Yumi came to the room following. Put down her wooden bucket. She puts down the wooden bucket she was carrying with warm water. Then she went over to the white man. When she saw him, her thick lips folded themselves into stubbornness. फिर जब देखती है उस वाइट मैन को, तो स्टबर्ननेस के साथ, गुस्से के साथ उसकी तरफ देखती है और मुंह मोड़ लेती है. I have never washed a white man, she said, and I will not wash so dirty a one now. What she said? I have not washed a white man in my entire life, so I am not going to wash this dirty man. Hannah cried at her severely. You will do what your masters command you. जैसा कहा जाए उतना करो. There was so fierce a look of resistance upon Yumi's round dull face that Hannah felt unreasonably afraid. हाना को समझ में आ गया कि वो बहुत गुस्से में है. उसको और कुछ मत बोलो. After all, if the servant should report something that was not as it happened, अगर उन्होंने जाके किसी को बता दिया तो क्या होगा? Very well, she said with dignity. अच्छा, नहीं करना है, कोई बात नहीं. You understand, we only want to bring him to his senses so that we can turn him over as a prisoner. तुमको ये बात समझनी चाहिए कि हम इसको होश में लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं ताकि इसको हम प्रिजनर के रूप में दे सकें. I'll have nothing to do with it, Yumi said. मैम, मुझे इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I am a poor person and it is not my business. हम गरीब लोग हैं. It's not our business. Then please, Hannah said gently, return to your own work. जाओ, जाओ अपना काम करो. At once Yumi left the room. Yumi left the room, but this left Hannah with the white man alone. Yumi तो चली गई. Hannah अकेले है उस रूम में. She might have been too afraid to stay had not her anger at Yumi's stubbornness now sustained her. She might have been too afraid. तो बेचारी डरी हुई थी पहले से. अब यूमी भी चली गई. Stupid Yumi, she muttered fiercely. अब उसको बुरा भला कहते हुए, Stupid Yumi. इज दिस एनीथिंग बट अ मैन? डर तो लग रहा था, लेकिन फिर भी कह रही अपने आप को सांत्वना देने के लिए, टू कंसोल हर, आदमी ही तो है। एंड वुंडेड हेल्पलेस मैन, और कैसा आदमी? वुंडेड हेल्पलेस। In the conviction of her own superiority, she bent impulsively and untied the knotted rugs that kept the white man covered. She untied the knots, जो buttons वगैरह लगे थे उसके शर्ट में, उसको उसने खोला. When she had his breast bare, she dipped the small clean towel that Yumi had brought into the steaming hot water. तो यूमी कुछ कपड़ा और वो पानी लेके आई थी, उससे उसके ब्रेस्ट को उसने साफ किया. And washed his face carefully. The man's skin, though rough with exposure, was of a fine texture and must have been very blonde when he was a child. अब चूंकि आर्मी में था वो, तो रफ हो गई थी उसकी स्किन, लेकिन जब बचपन में रहा होगा वो, तो उसकी स्किन बड़ी ब्लॉन्ड रही होगी, बड़ी सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट रही होगी. While she was thinking these thoughts, though not really liking the man better now that he was no longer a child, अब सोच रही थी कि जब बच्चा रहा होगा कितना अच्छा रहा होगा, लेकिन अब वो बच्चा नहीं है. She kept on washing him until his upper body was quite clean. तो उसके चेस्ट, उसके अपर बॉडी को, वेस्ट से ऊपर के हिस्से को अच्छे से क्लीन किया. बट सी डेयर्ड नॉट टर्न हिम ओवर, लेकिन उसको पलटने की हिम्मत उसकी नहीं थी. वेयर वॉज सदाओ? नाउ हर एंगर वॉज एबिंग, अब उसको गुस्सा आ रहा था. एंड सी वॉज एंक्सस अगेन एंड सी रोज, चिंतित थी, खड़ी होती है, वाइपिंग हर हैंड्स ऑन द रॉन्ग टॉवेल. देन लेस्ट द मैन बी चिल्ड, सी पुट द क्विल्ट ओवर हिम, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि लेस्ट द मैन बी चिल्ड, सी पुट द क्विल्ट ओवर हिम. सदाओ, सी called softly, धीरे से बुलाया, सदाओ. He had been about to come in when she called, आने ही वाला था, बिल्कुल जैसे आवाज लगाई आ गया. His hand had been on the door and now he opened it. She saw that he had brought his surgeon's emergency bag and that he wore his surgeon's coat. तो अपने सर्जरी वाले कोट पहन लिया था उसने, अपना बैग लेके आया था सर्जरी का. You have decided to operate? She cried. Yes, he said shortly. He turned his back to her and unfolded a sterilized towel upon the floor of the Tokonoma alcove. Now, what is this Tokonoma? Tokonoma is a decorated floor. अब ये टोकोनोमा होता क्या है? असल में ये एक प्लांट रखने के लिए या फ्लावर्स पॉट होता है जो फ्लोर पे सजाने के लिए होता है. एंड पुट हिज इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आउट अपॉन इट, तो उसी फ्लोर पे उसने अपने सामान रख दिए. फेच टॉल्स, ही सेड, तौलिया ले आओ. सी वेंट ओबीडियंटली, कहना मानते हुए चली गई वो. बट हाउ हैंग्सस नाउ टू द लिनन शेल्व्स एंड टुक आउट द टॉवेल्स. बड़ी चिंतित थी, लिनन शेल्फ में जाती है, टॉवेल्स निकालती है. There ought also to be old pieces of matting so that the blood would not ruin the fine floor covering. वो सोचती है कि कुछ और बिछा दिया जाए ताकि उसका ब्लड फ्लोर पे ना पड़े, कवरिंग पे ना पड़े, मैट पे ना पड़े. She went out to the back veranda where the gardener kept strips of matting with which to protect delicate shrubs on cold nights. तो बरामदा में जाती है, वहां से कुछ मैटिंग उठा के लाती है. And took an armful of them. But when she went back into the room, she saw this was useless. और जब तक पहुंची तब तक सब बेकार. The blood had already soaked through the packing in the man's wound and had ruined the mat under him. तब तक खून जमीन पे आ चुका था, फ्लोर पे आ चुका था. Oh, the mat, she cried. खराब कर दिया तुमने. Yes, it is ruined, Sadao replied, as though he did not care. ऐसे लगा जैसे उसको कोई परवाह न हो. Help me to turn him, he commanded her. कहा मदद करो मेरी उसको पलटने में। सी ओबेड हिम विदाउट अ वर्ड, कुछ नहीं बोलती है, उसका कहना मानती है। एंड ही बिगन टू वॉश द मैन्स बैक केयरफुली, ही स्टार्टेड हिज वर्क। यूमी वुड नॉट वॉश हिम, सी सेड। अब सदाओ की वाइफ हाना ने कहा यूमी इसको साफ नहीं करेगी। डिड यू वॉश हिम देन? सदाओ अच्छा तो क्या तुमने साफ किया? नॉट स्टॉपिंग फॉर अ मोमेंट, हिज स्विफ्ट कंसाइज मूवमेंट्स, उसके हाथ चल रहे हैं, बात कर रहा है और हाथ चल रहे हैं। यस सी सेड, उसने कहा हाँ मैंने साफ किया।